Disasters don't send you a warning. One moment you're running errands, the next you're stuck on the highway during a storm, or worse, evacuating your home. Your car is more than just a way to get around. It can be your lifeline in these moments. So, here's the question. Is your car ready for emergencies? In this video, we're diving deep into how to build the ultimate bug-out bag for your car. I'll show you exactly what to pack, why it matters, and how to stay prepared for anything. Think of this bag as your portable survival kit. It's small, efficient, and designed to save lives when things go south. Let's jump in. You might already have a survival kit at home, and that's great. But emergencies don't always give you the luxury of being home. Think about it. How often are you and your family in the car? Commuting, road trips, or simply running errands? Your car bug-out bag is your mobile safety net. Whether it's a breakdown in a remote area, getting stranded during a snowstorm, or evacuating ahead of a wildfire, having the right supplies in your vehicle can mean the difference between safety and survival. Here's a breakdown of what your bag should include. Start with at least 3 liters of water per person, enough to last a couple of days. Use collapsible pouches to save space. Add a portable water filter or purification tablets. These are lightweight and ensure you can source safe drinking water in the wild. Consider a metal water bottle. This doubles as a way to boil water if needed. Choose non-perishable, high-energy items like protein bars, trail mix, jerky, or freeze-dried meals. Think lightweight but calorie-dense. Pack enough for at least 72 hours. Don't forget a lightweight camping stove or a small metal cup for heating meals. Pack a thermal blanket and emergency ponchos for each passenger. Include a small tarp or tent, which can act as temporary shelter. Hand warmers and wool socks are great additions, especially if you live in colder regions. A comprehensive first aid kit is essential. Include basics like bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze, and pain relievers. Don't forget personal medications, and add extra items like burn cream, tweezers, and butterfly closures. A multi-tool or Swiss Army knife is a must. It's compact and can handle everything from cutting rope to opening cans. Duct tape is a lifesaver in many scenarios. Use it to patch gear, secure tarps, or even create splints. Pack a flashlight with extra batteries or a hand crank flashlight. Add a fire-starting kit with waterproof matches, a lighter, and a ferro rod. A paper map and compass are essential backups if your GPS fails. Carry a portable phone charger or solar-powered power bank. If possible, include a battery-powered radio for weather updates and emergency broadcasts. Pack weather-appropriate clothing, including an extra pair of socks and sturdy shoes. If you're caught in rain or snow, you'll be glad you did. A hat and gloves are also important for extreme weather. A whistle can help signal for help in remote areas. Self-defense tools like pepper spray are worth considering for added security. Your bug-out bag should be compact, lightweight, and stored in a weather-resistant bag, something you can grab and go. Keep it in your trunk, but make sure it's easy to reach. It's also vital to maintain your kit. Check the contents every 6 months. Replace expired food and water, update seasonal clothing, and make sure your tools are in working order. Think of this as an ongoing investment in your family's safety. To summarize, here's what we covered. Your car bug-out bag is an essential survival tool designed to keep you safe in emergencies. Focus on packing water, food, shelter, tools, navigation aids, and first aid supplies. Keep your bag organized, lightweight, and regularly updated. By taking the time to prepare now, you're giving yourself and your family a massive advantage when disaster strikes. It's time to take action. Start building your car's bug-out bag today. Begin with the essentials you already have and make a shopping list for the rest. Don't wait until it's too late. Being prepared can save lives. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more survival tips, and share this with someone who needs it. Together, we can create a community that's ready for anything. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.